question, what difference can I make to the world, can be asked in two different ways. The choice that you make to ask this question can change your entire life. Wondering how? Let me explain that in this video. Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar, founder of Alkanand Homeocare Clinic, homeopathic consultant and psychological counselor, and you're watching my very own channel, Alkanand Clinic. Today's topic for discussion is how to develop a positive attitude. Before moving forward, let me tell you that I will be posting every Monday such motivational videos only for you. To get notified, now press the bell icon. Now getting back to the topic, let's define what is positive attitude. Is it thinking that no bad can ever happen to me? No. Then what is it? Any situation, however worse it is, has its own pros and cons. Being realistic about the situation and yet focusing on the advantages that the situation offers is being positive. That is what we call a positive attitude. Let's take the latest example. Outburst of COVID-19 has led to so much of uncertainty in life, health hazards, economical crisis, leading to isolation of people. But as people have started losing their lives, they have understood the importance of presence rather than planning their future. Many people have also discovered alternative ways of earning to cope with the economical crisis, invading their own potential. So, isn't it the advantages of the situation? Good and bad are two sides of the same coin. It is on the side that you stand changes your vision. Carrying a positive attitude helps you to overcome any crisis in much calm and stabilized way. It helps you to respond in the best possible way, minimizing the damage. Now, the question is how to reinforce positive attitude even in worse situation. The answer is very simple. Accept the situation. An outcome is a combination of event and response. Here, event means either a problem or a situation. For a matter of fact, we all know no one can change the situation or the event. So, to change the outcome, we have to change the response. If we respond in a negative way, it can lead to destructive outcomes, leading the bad situation into worse. If we try to accept the situation and respond positively, that is either respond in a solution-oriented way, then we can lead to constructive ways and outcomes, just as described in the last example. You can look at an event as a complete failure or an unsuccessful attempt. If you look at it as an unsuccessful attempt, it gives you chance for trying again and succeeding in life. If you look at it as a failure, then you give up very easily. Now, we need to know that attitude is a quality that we carry from our childhood. It is influenced by the events and the environment that we are learned into, developing into negative or positive attitude. Developing a positive attitude is not a merry one-day trick, but a process that would take time. Remember, you see the world with the glasses you choose to wear. If you are good for the world will seem good to you. If you are rude to the world, you will get the same back. For those who want to start cultivating positive attitude into themselves, I have a tip to start with. Start saying 5 affirmative sentences to yourself every day in the morning. For example, I am healthy, I am energetic, I am happy, I am successful, I am looking forward for today's beginning. Any 5 such affirmative or positive sentences. Remember to do it for 21 days and let me know your experience in the comment section below. I'm sure you will start feeling the difference. If you found this video really useful, then do subscribe to my channel and stay notified. For any further queries or online consultations, you can contact me on the below given details. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end.